Hey guys, welcome to question FM144 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. So this question reads, Marcos has 30 close friends. As Marcos's music career takes off, he becomes progressively more arrogant and his number of close friends is expected to decrease by 20% each month. Let Fn be the number of friends Marcos has n months after his career takes off. The expected decline in Marcos's close friends can be modeled by the equation, and then we are given our 5 options. Now we're going to answer this question by building the recurrence relation from the base up. So the first thing we should be realizing is that because we're decreasing by a percentage each month, we're looking at a geometric sequence. We're not looking at an arithmetic sequence. So straight off the bat, we can start to guess at what this formula is going to look like. It's going to have f0 of 30, which of course all of our options do. And then we're going to have fn plus 1 is equal to fn times some sort of rate. So our job now is to figure out what this rate is going to be. So since we're decreasing, the formula for our rate is going to be, since we're decreasing in friends by percentage, our formula for the rate is going to be 1 minus that rate over 100. Plugging in some the appropriate values, so we're having a 20% decrease, that's going to be 1 minus 20 over 100, and if you plug this into your calculator, you're going to get 0.8. Now I want to talk about this for a second because it's actually a lot easier to build these formulas if you're understanding how these rates are being come up with. So if you know that 0.8 is sort of equivalent to 80%, so it's the decimal version of 80%, then this makes a lot more sense because we can see that if we're finding 80% of something, that is equivalent to a 20% decrease. If you were to find your height and then find 80% of whatever that height was, that would actually be a 20% decrease to your height. So finding 80% of something is the same as finding a 20% decrease. Once you can get your head around that, a lot of these formulas actually become a lot easier. So plugging this rate back into our original recursion, recursion relation, we're going to have f0 equals 30, fn plus 1 equals 0.8 fn. This adds up to option E, which of course is our correct answer. If you guys have any questions about that, on how we did it, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.